Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys raise to wake setting. How can you on and guys how can you use your raise to wake in your Redmi phone? In this video guys I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So friends, now let's start video friends. First of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, then guys you can see your lock screen setting. So guys tap here, raise to wake guys you can see, so you can on from this right side. Your raise to wake will on. So guys suppose guys your phone screen is off, and guys when you will take your phone in front of your eyes, then guys phone screen will on automatic. So you can use your raise to wake like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to on raise to wake in Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video.